Say what up. Say what up. Oh, I got a lick. Oh, we got him. Oh, we got the sucker. Ooh, Lipper ARMY. Oh, we got a brown dog. Different spot. Ayo Lipper ARMY, welcome back to You the Best, Lipper ARMY. So today, look around. I never been here before. I didn't even get my line wet yet. We're at the Brodhead Creek in Upper PA. I believe it's Monroe County, Monroe and Pike. Anyway, we're gonna try getting some licks and ripping some lips off some good old troutos. I don't care if they brown dogs, rainbows. I don't know what it is. I just want to get them licks, rip them lips. Yo, come join me, Lipper ARMY. Whoa, almost fell. Let's get this in, dog. Water temp, Lipper ARMY, is like 60 degrees. All right, Lipper ARMY. First up, white eggs, no yolk, ain't no joke with a little meat. Lipper ARMY. Let's get into this. We got to find some troutos ASAP. We're just going to cast it up, let it drift, get a lick, rip a lip. Lipper ARMY, you know the routine. Come on, let's get a fish now. Oh, Lipper ARMY, got one. Lipper ARMY. Oh, we got a jaw. Lipper ARMY. Brodhead Creek. Yeah, dog. Where the net at? Where the net at? Oh, yeah, he a fighter. Oh, he's a girl. Oh, that's a girl, Lipper ARMY. Yo, come on, give me a head up. Hit it, head up. Oh, that's a brown dog. We got a brown dog, Lipper ARMY. Get the net, get the net. Come on now. We gotta get him in, 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 get him in. Oh, come on now. Yeah, he's coming up. Gotcha, sucker. I guess you a brown dog. You look like a brown dog. Yeah, Lipper ARMY. Got him. Lipper ARMY. Sorry for the no release. I was trying to get my other camera out for some underwater footage to release him, and he jumped right in the water. But at least we got a close-up on that girl. I know she was blushing too, Lipper ARMY, so we'll get some more ladies to get underwater footage. Come on now, Brodhead Creek. Oh, Lipper ARMY got one. Yeah, Lipper ARMY. Yeah, Lipper ARMY. Got a jaw, another girl. It's a good one too. We gotta get the net on this one, Lipper ARMY. He's a big John, Lipper ARMY. Yeah, girl, where that net at? Ooh, a jumping girl too. Want me to turn my back for a second? Not the sock, the net. Sucker. Yeah, good girl too. Come on, lady. Oh, snap. Is that really a creek chub, Lipper ARMY? That is huge around here. Lipper ARMY, that is big. Holy crap, Lipper ARMY. Look at the size of this fall fish. Holy crap, Lipper ARMY. That is a monster. All right, we're gonna release you, girl, because we don't need you. So I guess you're gonna be pretty for us? You're gonna be pretty? Come on. Where you at? Put you in this hole real quick. Oh, gone with the sauce. All right, Lipper ARMY. We're gonna try switching it up a minute. We're gonna try a little jerky. How's a little jerky doing? Let's see. Oh, Lipper Army, we got one. What do we got? What do we got? Is that a creeker? Oh, it's a brown. We got a baby brown. Oh, Lipper Army. Okay, okay. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. You look good. This one's a little small, so there you go. Oh, Lipper Army got John. Lipper Army. Holy crap, what we got? Oh, we got a little Trouto. Hey, little browns. Little browns. Little but good. Little browns. Look at that, Lipper Army. Let's get another one real quick. Maybe there's another one sitting right by him. Maybe Mama. We got Mama? Mama? Mama, where are you? Oh, got another one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a big boy. Oh, snap, he jumped right in. Lipper Army. That looks like Uncle, but... we'll take him. We'll take him. We will take him. Lipper Army. He jumped right at us. He jumped right at us. Come here now. Come on, I don't want you to hurt yourself. Holy... Oh, what you say now, huh? Yeah, Lipper Army. Looks like the lure helping out. Oh, snap. There are trout O's in town here. That's what I'm talking about. Sorry about hooking you in the head top, but... Oh, yeah. Oh. That was too quick. He run. Shoot. Any ladies over here? If there's ladies here, they gotta have some muscles, boy. Maybe white eggs, no yolk, ain't no joke might do it. Let's see. Oh, we got one, Lipper. Oh, we got one, lady. Oh, she got some muscles. Oh, it's a rainbow. Oh, she's a runner. She's a runner. So you were in that little riffle, huh? Alright, Lipper Army, let's try a different view and see if we can get some licks. There we go, Lipper Army. Lipper Army. Be a nice one. Barely hooked. There we go. There he is, Lipper Army. There they are. Look good. Yeah, Lipper Army. There they are, Lipper Army. Yo, say what up. Say what up. Lipper Army. Look at the size of that spider. Holy snap. He gonna go get somebody's toe. Oh, shoot. Ooh, Lipper, oh, we got a John. Oh, my bad, dog. Oh, we got one, dog. Yeah, Yo! Lipper Army. That is a dark. Oh, yeah, that's my girl. Oh, yeah, first cast. Oh, this one nice looking, man. Look at this. Look at that girl. That's what I'm saying, man. Lipper Army, there we go. Whoa, hold on now. Oh. Gone, man. He jumped out of my hand. Let's see, dog. Alright. Oh, I got a lick. Oh, we got him. Oh, we got the sucker. Ooh, Lipper Army. Oh yeah, he a little, but he good. Oh, hold on now. Stop dirtying my shirt. Oh yeah, look at that Lipper Army. Look at that girl. Ooh. Well, alright, Lipper Army. So it was definitely worth going to Brodhead Creek, Lipper Army. Might be a drive, but boy, do you get it every cast just about, Lipper Army. Yo, keep doing you. Thank you so much, Lipper Army. You're the best, and man, I definitely recommend going to this creek. Brodhead Creek. Woo-hoo! Yo!